still on my hands. No preacher's lie, no lawman's brand can carve out what I am. Ash in my veins, fire in my lungs, still hear the devil beating his drum. I'm darker than dust, heavier than stone, a ghost in the wind, a name carved in bone. You can chase me to hell, you can bury my trust, but you'll never outrun what's darker than dust. Torn and frayed from 1,000 fights, chasing my sins through endless nights. The road behind is graves and lies, but the flame inside won't die. Ash in my veins, fire in my lungs, still hear the devil beating his drum. I'm darker than dust, heavier than stone, a ghost in the wind, a name carved in bone. You can chase me to hell, you can bury my trust, but you'll never outrun what's darker than dust. No prayers to save me, no light to find, just the howl of the dead and the scars I ride behind. I'm darker than dust, heavier than stone, a ghost in the wind, a name carved in bone. You can chase me to hell, you can bury my trust, but you'll never outrun what's darker than dust.